Hey friends, welcome to our channel. Barry from THOR here, bringing you another video in our product overview series. If you're new to THOR or LED wall technology, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to be diving into our Ridge series LED panels and the hardware systems that go with that. As always, if you do have any questions, please leave a comment and we'll be happy to answer that for you. And just in general, if you're interested in learning more about LED walls, from the basic concepts to those more in-depth and technical topics, be sure to follow along, like, subscribe, you know what to do. All right, let's dive in. Let's go ahead and build our Ridge Groundstack system. The first step is to place your Groundstack flybar in location, and we're gonna double check our level. And make any adjustments that are needed. Once we have the rear ground truss in place, we're gonna double check level of this as well. Now that we have our rear ground bars level, we're gonna go ahead and attach our ladder truss. We're gonna do a 5-panel tall system, so we're gonna go ahead and connect a 3-panel and a 2-panel ladder truss together. All right, so now that we have our ladder truss assembled, we'll go ahead and attach it to the rear ground bars. Now that we have our Groundstack system built, we're ready to start attaching our panels. Jonah's gonna come up and give me a hand with that. We're gonna lift the rear latches into place and tighten the panels down. With any Groundstack system, it's important to ballast. So we'll go ahead and drop the appropriate amount of weight on the back of this system. For servicing Ridge from the rear, we're gonna start by removing the power data box. Undo these 4 thumb screws. And the power data box comes off simply like that. After the power data box has been removed, to remove the module, we'll simply press it out. Remove our safety latches and pull through the back. To reattach the module from the rear, simply pass through the front. And snap into place. Reattach your safety cable. And your modules are back in place. Now let's attach our power data box. Slide into place, screw in the 4 thumb screws. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding Ridge or other THOR products, drop a comment below or get in touch with us. The link to our website is in the description below. And don't forget, like, subscribe. If you did like this video and you're looking for more like this, hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.